To our school president, Mr. Ladislao Nabanao Jr., Vice President on Administration and Development, Ms. Emily S. Nabanao, our DepEd representative, Dr. Himaya S. Hu, our guest speaker, Mr. Richard Okada, our school principal, Ms. Christine J. Arjona, faculty and staff, guests, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. A warm welcome to each and every one of you as we gather here today to celebrate a significant milestone in the journey of our young learners. This moving out ceremony for our kindergarten and grade 10 students, as well as the graduation of our grade 6 class, is not just a momentous occasion. It is a testament to the dedication, hard work, resilience of our students as they take another step forward in their educational journey. Today, we gather under the theme, Kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas, highlighting the pivotal role that our Filipino youth play in shaping the future of our nation. As we look upon the faces of our students gathered here, we see the embodiment of hope, potential, and promise for a better tomorrow. To our kindergarten students, you have embarked on your educational journey with curiosity, wonder, and boundless energy. As you transition to the next phase of your schooling, may you continue to nurture your thirst for knowledge, embrace challenges with courage, and always approach learning with enthusiasm. To our grade 6 graduates, today marks the culmination of your elementary school years, a period filled with growth, discovery, and unforgettable memories. As you prepare to embark on the next chapter of your academic journey, remember the values instilled in you by your teachers and parents. Perseverance, integrity, and the unwavering belief in your own potential. And to my co-grade 10 students, we, co-leaders, stand at the threshold of a new beginning as we prepare to enter senior high school, a phase that will undoubtedly bring new opportunities, experiences, and challenges. As we continue our pursuit of academic excellence, may we remain steadfast in our commitment to our goals, always striving for personal and intellectual growth. As we celebrate the achievements of our students today, let us also express our deepest gratitude to the parents, guardians, and teachers who have guided us every step of the way. Your unwavering dedication and love have been instrumental in shaping the young minds before us, and for that, we are truly grateful. In closing, let us remember that our students are not just the leaders of tomorrow, they are the leaders of today. As they embark on their respective journeys, may they embody the spirit of bayanihan, service, and patriotism, working together to build a stronger, more prosperous, and more inclusive Philippines for generations to come. Once again, welcome to this joyous celebration, and congratulations to our kindergarten graduates, grade 6 completers, and grade 10 achievers. Today, we honor your achievements, celebrate your potential, and look forward to witnessing the great things you will accomplish in the years ahead. Mabuhay ang Kabataang Pilipino! Mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas! Thank you.